tell you how long I've been waiting for this day, and it is finally here. And I'm not just painting my car. I'm using the best paint you can possibly get, thanks to House of Kolor. They've jumped on board as a partner of mine for this build and are hooking it up with their premium custom automotive paints. It is seriously the best stuff on the market. I never thought I would be painting with this quality of paint. So I'm even more excited because of that. I sent them the colors I was thinking about, went back and forth with them a little bit on what would work best for my use case. I'm so thankful to have House of Kolor on board for this build and cannot wait to see how incredible their paint turns out. We also teamed up with Precision Collision Center, which is our neighbors right next door to Garage Life. Precision Collision Center is letting us use their paint booth. This is huge. As you know, there is not a body harness in my car. Nothing's wired up yet. Everything's completely out of it. So we were gonna have to like flat tow this car to another booth far away. And luckily, Dory is the owner over there. He's amazing. He was very, very helpful throughout this entire process, even prepping the car for paint, and has offered to let us use the paint booth, and it's right next door. Like, this is huge. All we have to do is push the car out from Garage Life and push it right next door. So thank you so much, Precision Collision Center, and thank you, House of Kolor, really making this all come together. And I could not be more excited for this episode because I've been waiting for this for so long. Who is painting the car? You may be asking yourself. Obviously, painting a car is the most advanced thing you can do in the painting world. It takes a lot of skill to be able to do it right. Luckily, DK also knows how to do that. I'm telling you guys, he knows how to do absolutely everything. Every single thing that's part of building a race car from A to Z, DK and Garage Life know how to do. He actually used to paint cars a few years ago for Toyota, and now we're gonna paint my car. So again, DK coming through. Garage Life has been so good to me and incredible, and there's so much knowledge there, and I'm just so thankful to be able to work with them on this build, learn from them, and now I'm gonna learn how you paint a car. Let's just get right into it. Here we go. I just got to the shop, and the first thing I need to do is pressure wash all the body kit pieces and do a quick sand over them to get them ready for paint. All the pieces are power washed, sanded, power washed again. That's Garage Life right there. And this is where we're going. This is our booth. The car is gonna go right up front, and all the body kit pieces are gonna be more towards the back. Huge shout out and thank you to Precision Collision Center, saving our lives right now. Just gave her one last bath before we're heading into the booth. Car is ready. It's finally ready for paint. We got acetone wiped down on the outside. We taped off what we needed to for the inside. And now we get to paint. House of Kolor hooked it up. They gave us amazing products to make my dream race car, drift car come true. So check out what I got from them. And if you're wondering what the color is, I'm gonna keep you guys waiting a little bit longer. Very hard decision. House of Kolor helped me make that decision. I think it's gonna look amazing, so you'll just have to stay tuned. You may have also noticed that there was a few additions since the last time you guys have seen the car. DK finished welding all of the gussets that I made and even added some epic star gussets that I found. I wanted something unique and really, really cool to add to the cage. Found them online and absolutely love the way they look. If you didn't notice that, those are some new additions.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
It's all white now, and we're just taping off the inside so we can paint the outside blue.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight.
Kind of freaking out right now. The blue turned out better than I could have ever imagined. I sent them so many colors for House of Kolor to make me my custom shade, and like I really didn't know the exact color it was gonna be until we mixed it. I love it. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It looks so good. DK is laying down the base coat right now, and then I believe we might put one more coat on and then go for the clear coat. So far so good.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.